Hello friends, it's great to be here once again. In our discussion today, we'll be looking at how to build awesome digital products. You can literally move from zero to billions in a couple of years if you can get this right. Yes, some people have actually done that. Let's look at some interesting stories. In 2007, Brent Atom and Jane Kuhn built a digital product we know today as WhatsApp. This was after they were rejected employment into Facebook. Now, WhatsApp got the right product market fit, and subscription grew exponentially. 7 years later, in 2014, Facebook bought WhatsApp for a whopping 19 billion US dollars. Is this not interesting? Now let's look at another story out from Lagos, Nigeria. In 2016, Gbenga Bola and team founded the company Flutterwave and built some awesome digital products. And on the back of that, become one of the major players in the payment system in Africa. Few years after, Flutterwave is today worth over $1 billion US dollars. Now, let's look at the story of Apple. By 1997, before Steve Jobs returned to Apple, Apple was literally struggling. It was actually on the brink of bankruptcy. But when Steve Jobs resumed as the interim CEO, he brought to bear his legendary product management skills, and the world was greeted with one awesome product to another. From iTunes to iPod to iPhone, iPad, and so on. And on the back of these awesome digital products, Apple moved from a struggling company in 1997 to one of the most valuable companies in 2011 when Steve Jobs exited the scene. But on the back of these products, Apple has remained one of the most valuable companies. Today, Apple is worth over 2 trillion US dollars. This is the magic of the right digital products. So in the course of our discussion, we x-ray some of the winning principles that have been deployed by these great product visionaries. There is no doubt digital technology is a key driver to business growth and innovation today. And that's why everybody today is talking about digital. But digital is beyond using digital tools or deploying some new digital applications. It's more of a change of business strategy than a change of business tools or deployment of digital tools. It's actually a holistic and strategic effort, and it starts with a change of mindset. It starts by rethinking how your business creates value for the customers. It's actually about creating a future without the limitations of the past. When Steve Jobs resumed in 1997 at Apple, he started a campaign he called Think Different, and he transformed the product line of Apple, which is one of the things that gave it the big win it has today. Apple, in creating iPhone, actually created a new future without the limitations of the past. It introduced a smartphone with a wide screen without the limitations of a fixed keypad. It brought a paradigm shift on how software is created and distributed through the Apple Store. In a similar vein, Uber brought a new future in the transportation industry, where even without owning a car, you can have drivers and a car at your beck and call. The same thing with Airbnb. Even without having a house, you can enter into any town and have friends or family in quotes you can stay with. This is real transformation. Like somebody puts it, when transformation is done right, it's like a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. But when done poorly, all you have is a faster caterpillar. So to get the right digital transformation, you actually need to create a new feature. You need to look at new ways you can create value for your customers. You need to find new ways to excite your customers, to create great and awesome experience for your customers on the back of digital technology. Now, if you can do this, you have to package it into a product that you offer to the market. In doing this, technology is key. But one thing is important: technology is the key driver of digital products, but it is not just a digital initiative. It's not just about technology. Yes, technology could be a driver for your digital product, but that is not where to start. The place to start is from your customers. You need to research your customers and understand what their real needs are. You need to understand their emotions, even their wants. And in doing this, you may need to create a feedback mechanism that enables you to get the right feedback from your customers. You need to know the gap between what the customers presently get and what the customers actually want. Then you need to have a deep understanding of technology and how you can leverage digital technologies to meet these needs of your customers. How you can use digital technology to create a great customer experience for your customers. Also, you need to understand the business domain, because in all of this, you need to create business value and meet your business objectives. So your right digital product is that product that gives the right customer experience, that leverages innovative use of technology, and that meets the business objectives. And in all of this, there has to be focus on creating value. Digital product management has four key elements. I need to understand and execute these different elements excellently to achieve your awesome digital product. First, your product vision. Your product vision is a future picture of your product. It's actually the reason why the product is being built. And you need to look beyond the product to look at the impact your product creates for your customers. Steve Jobs said during the launch of Apple Store that this store will not sell computers or phones, but that it will fulfill customers' dreams. In that, he was looking beyond the product to the impact it will have on the customers. That's how to conceive your vision, to make it inspiring and to be able to drive your building an awesome digital product. Next element is your product strategy. Your product strategy is a high-level plan on how to achieve your product vision. It includes the sequence of product releases that you have on your path to meeting your product vision. It includes the set of choices you will make about your target market, about product feature, about product differentiation, and even about your business model. Another key element is product discovery. It's important to know that it's very easy to build the wrong products, and it can actually be expensive. So product discovery is the iterative process to ensure that the right product is built for the right audience. It includes designing the product that is valuable to the customer, designing that product that is usable by the customer, the product that is feasible, and the product that is actually viable to the business objective. Last but not the least is product delivery. Product delivery is about the process of creating and releasing the valuable functional products to the target market. And this is very key. Customers do not pay for ideas and strategies. Customers pay for finished products. And it is your product delivery that actually packages and brings these finished products into the hands of your customers. Altogether, it's about building the right product and building the product right. As we go on, we dive deeper into each of these elements to see some of the principles you can apply and how you can win through this. So it's important to note that the right digital product is not necessarily the one with the most recent digital technology or the one with the most feature, but it is that product that has the right product market fit.